Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to clean your Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a computer and the software Clean My Mac. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, click on Launchpad, search for the application Clean My Mac X, and now we can start the scan. And so the Mac computer itself is then able to identify what needs to be removed and cleaned. Click scan. We can see on screen that we are required to run again to remove 1.3 gigabytes of unrequired material that needs to be cleaned. So click run. Well done, your Mac is in great shape. If I clean my Mac X, quit. If I quit, clean my Macs. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.